This is our lighting package. So if you've selected the lighting package, what you're going to get with it are the 2 lights and the wiring harness for those lights to run under the benches and up to the front controller. You're going to have some screws for mounting the lights under the seats, and then also cable clips. So you can use the screwdriver that you got with the main smart controller package for mounting the lights. You can also use an impact driver or drill if you have one. Right now we've got it to the point where we have the smart controller or the touchscreen connected. There's 2 ports here for LT, which are the lights. We're going to run them under the seats, connect them to the sauna wall. It'll come up and then it'll come through this tech connector here. Okay, so for mounting the lights, you want to mount them to the center bench support with the little black screws you'll get in the kit. So we've got 2 screws on here holding this light, and then we use the cable clips and run the wiring. That way, by running it under the bench, you don't actually see any of the lights or the wiring from above. So what we've done is we've run the lighting wire, so it goes under the benches and then under the door frame using those wire clips, and it comes up and it basically the Y junction meets under the benches here. The light goes through and then out through the junction box. If your benches are too close together, you might have to loosen off one of the benches to give yourself space to get the wire through. The other thing we've done is we've removed the electrical connector. There's usually just 4 screws that hold it in, just so we can run the lighting cable up, and then we'll replace it after. Just be careful when you replace it that you're not puncturing any wires as you screw in that panel cover. So I've backed this off a bit to loosen it. You've already got 2 wires going through here, and we're going to be adding the lighting wire. So you should be able to sneak it through just like that. And then I'm going to add a cable staple or 2 here, and then we'll get the lighting wire on the other side into the connector. Now run the lighting wires through the junction box. We've got them to the front. There's 2 here. This is about the right length. That's perfect. And then on here you see the LT and the LT. Those are for the lights. There's no polarity for these, so it doesn't matter if you go this way or that way. So to make it clear in the future, if you're ever doing anything in here, we can throw the wire flag on for the lights as well, just so whoever's in here knows exactly what is what. Perfect. So now all we have to do is connect the blue connector onto the board. As we push it in, we want to make sure the wires are free and clear of the board. So give yourself a bit of space by kind of adjusting them. That'll pop on. And then we drop a screw in the top. Mounted and secure. You take that off, and then you can fire the sauna back up.